Hi. So welcome back to our channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Let me just tell you a few things that's going on around here on the homestead. Keith is currently building a pig pen, and he's building it the way his grandpa did it. And you know, sometimes those old timers, they really can come up with some good ideas. So we don't want our pigs that we're going to get just walking in mud, because we do get a lot of rain out here in Kentucky. So he's actually building it up on a platform, and I'll take you out there another time and show you what's going on with that. But other than him building the pig pen, it's also going to house our new flock of birds. So that's kind of a two-for-one that we got out of it. I've been baking bread upstairs because it's cold outside and I don't really feel like going out helping Keith. So he's got Cody out there helping him. I don't like being cold. And I've also got, but right before Thanksgiving, turkeys were on sale for 98 cents a pound. And since I wasn't able to grow my own this year, I bought 6 of them. So I'm going to be slowly working on those, getting them out. I'm going to get them canned up because I like having canned meat on the shelf for those days in the springtime and the summertime when we're so busy out here on the homestead that when I come in to make dinner, I just grab a can of meat. It's already cooked up, and I just make a real fast meal. Also, a couple of weeks ago, I was at the grocery store and they had pork shoulder on sale. Oh, Lord have mercy. Pork shoulder is one of my favorite pieces of pork to can up because you not only can make it up into like a pulled pork, which is super convenient. I can also grind it into sausage and have our own sausage in the freezer. So I got a lot going on here, and so I need to get busy. So come on back with me as I get my pulled pork put together. So the other day I was going through the refrigerator because I was sort of bored, and I noticed a whole bunch of these mandarin oranges, or cuties as they're called. And so I thought, you know what, nobody's eating them, but I sure do like them dehydrated. So I brought them down here. I had them all sliced up into what I was hoping, you know, equal slices. And I actually got like 4 trays of my little cuties dehydrated. And so I'm just, it took me about 8 hours to get these all dehydrated. And I just left them down here in the basement. And what I like to use these for is putting them in my tea when I'm steeping my tea. I like to grind them up when I'm making soap and put them in my soaps. It gives my soap a really nice smell, and it also gives my soap a little bit of a scrub. I like to put these in marinades. I just rehydrate them while they're in the marinade with the chicken, and they taste really good. So this is one of my little projects. I've got several more projects that I've got to get going. Okay, well, there you have it. I got a whole jar full of dehydrated oranges. So I'm going to put these up on my shelf. I'm not going to worry about vacuuming any of the air out of this, only because I'm going to use it relatively quickly. These dehydrated for approximately 10 hours. I put them on early in the morning a couple of days ago, and then I shut it off for a little while, let them cool down, and then the following day I heated them back up for about 2 more hours, which I probably went an hour too long because some look a little dark, but that's okay. They didn't lose any of their flavor or quality, but I know these are dehydrated. There's nothing left in these. They are as dry as a bone. So let's go on to my next project. Okay, so here is my bone-in shoulder butt, and this was on sale for $1.29 a pound, and this one weighs 8.45 pounds, and it cost me $10. Yeah, it's a lot of money to spend at once, but I got 5 of them. I wanted to get more, but I figured 5 would be a good start. I will bring you up on another video how many of these I got canned up into pulled pork and how much sausage I was able to make from this. But for right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my big roasting pan out. I'm going to set it up down here in the basement, and I'm going to put probably 2 of these in the roaster because I want to get it cooked down. I want to get the bone out, and the broth that I have left from cooking this down, I'm going to can that too. Nothing goes to waste. And then I will can up my other pork, which I call pulled pork, shredded pork, whatever you want to call it, pork. Okay? So that's another project I'm going to get started here. And then I've got these Jenny O's tender and juicy. These aren't real big turkeys that I got. It was 12.29 pounds for 98 cents a pound. So this turkey cost me $12. I don't think I could have grew one for that cheap, but nevertheless, I'm not going to cook these up in my oven because I got 6 of them. Yeah, that was a lot. Keith was like, "You're embarrassing me. Quit loading up the cart." I said, "I can't help myself. I got to get some food on the shelves for us." Well, I thought I was going to be able to get 3 pork shoulder butts in this roaster, but that's not going to happen. I only got 2 in there, which is fine because I still have 3 more that I need to do something with, but I've got enough water in here where they're definitely covered with water. So I'm going to turn this up to about 225 degrees because I'm going to cook this all night long. It's about 9 o'clock at night, and I'm just going to let these slowly cook all night long. Tomorrow when we get up, we have to make a trip into town. We have to go to Lowe's. I'll do a video on that, and also do I'll get a video ready for our pig pen / chicken coop. So lots of excitement happening here at Sleepy Glen Homestead. So thanks for watching. If you like the little bit that I was able to put out today, hit that subscribe button. I didn't want to make this video real long because we have so much that we're doing here, but I'll try to get a video out every day, if not every other day, so that you guys can see what we're doing here. All right, take care, and I'll be back when I start canning up this pork. Bye.